Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about AMASS tool, which is used for surface mapping and asset discovery, and the above command is used to install the tool in the system. After the installation process, use this command to launch the tool in the terminal. Here, help command is used to see the usage of the tool, as shown above. And this command is used to enumerate the website and get the final result. Here, enum is to enumerate, and -d means the targeted website we want to attack. And -o means is to save the output in the file we want, as mentioned above. Finally, when we press enter, we will get the output as websites list that we have mentioned before. We could also see the output, which was saved in the workspace, by the following command. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and do subscribe to our channel, Briskinfosec.